everybody, this is Sakshi, your host in those, and you're watching Flavors Fiesta. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've all been well. I thought it would be nice to quickly pop in and say hi and introduce you to one of my favorite eggless chocolate cake recipes. It's this chocolate loaf cake, and apart from being super easy to put together and super moist, it's the ingredients that go in that excite me the most. Yes, it's ghee and jaggery, two of the healthiest substitutes for butter and sugar you can find out there. And more chat about these ingredients in the description box. You'll also find all the measurements there, so do go check that out. And let's quickly get baking. We begin with whisking together the ghee and jaggery powder. Note that this is the normal jaggery powder once again pulsed to a finer powder. This is because jaggery does not melt in the oven, so we want it to dissolve well into the batter. So we whisk it well together and then add in the yogurt or the curd, which is the egg replacer, and a pure vanilla extract to beat down the jaggery and ghee notes. Whisk well again to form a smooth mixture as shown. We then add in 50 grams of melted and cooled chocolate. In goes in the dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Do not skip the salt, it really enhances the chocolate flavor. We gently whisk in the dry with the wet and add in some coffee immersed hot water to bring the batter together. Finish with a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice. Gently fold that in and pour it into a loaf tin that's lined with a butter paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Are you enjoying the content? If yes, please do stay in loop with us on socials. All links in description. After baking, let the cake cool completely before removing the butter paper and slicing it because it's extremely fragile once out of the oven. And that's a wrap! I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video. If you did, do leave us a comment in the comment section down below. And if you happen to try out the recipe, do share your feedback or any suggestions with us. See you soon in the next video. Until then, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!